everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the Warrior 2 by Juvia's palette. This is what the packaging looks like, super pretty. And I already used this. I tried to make a video, but I didn't like it. Not that I didn't like the palette, I didn't like how my look was coming out because I didn't really think about it. And so I just went with it, but these are the shades. This is the first row. You have like a grayish thing right there. I mean grayish thing, a grayish eyeshadow right there, 2 browns. And you have a red, some orange, some pinks. And right here you have a white, a very grayish, brownish tone shade, and then a black. So yeah, let's get on with the video. And I'm going to try and pronounce the names, but if I do get them wrong, sorry. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Dara and Zama. I think that's how you spell it. Like Lara and then Dara. And then Zama, I think. So those two. I don't do my makeup on a desk. I just put my palette on my knees, on my thighs. So yeah. Sorry. I know I should get a desk. I do have a desk, but like it's gonna be weird organizing it to put my ring light in the back. I don't know. No. So yeah, we're just going to put those 2 shades in my crease. Wow, super pigmented. Oh my god, hopefully you don't see my butters on my nose. Yeah, I'm a little bit sick. So yeah, I wanted to do the review before Christmas in case anybody was thinking about gifting it, but I just didn't have any time. I was super busy that whole weekend. I really like these shades together. It's super pretty. Super pretty, super pretty. Yeah, so sorry if you wanted to gift this to somebody, but you didn't find a review and you couldn't gift it because you weren't so sure. So far, so good. If you have any products recommended from Juvia's place, please let me know and I will try to test them out. So now we're going to move on to this dark brown shade right here. Oh, sorry, I have hot Cheeto fingers. This is Zufru. 100% sure those are pigmented shades. So I'm just going to go a little bit lower than where I put my original eyeshadow. Where I put my transition shade. So once again, I'm putting it under my transition shade. Even though when I cut my crease, it'll end up removing it anyways, but it kind of gives me like a place in it. I'm going to try and do my crease lower than what it is. Do you guys hear the wind? It is so loud. Like, it does not let me sleep at all. Wada, I think, the shade right here. I know I'm 100% probably pronouncing these names wrong, but yeah, that's my life story. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack it at the outer corner. Wow. Super pigmented. Sometimes the shade black scares me a little bit because if you screw up, your whole look can just go out. But I'm getting a small blending brush. This is the Morphe M506 brush. I don't know. It sort of works better when you don't pack it on, you know? You kind of just go. Oh my god, I'm not even showing. Sorry. But I didn't pack it on this time, I just started blending it. So I think it works better when you blend it instead of packing it on. Okay, so I did my creases. I'm wearing a white sweater and I'm so dirty. Like, I never wear white. So I'm going to go ahead and grab Zaz. I think that's what it is. Oh my god, I just dipped my whole finger into that. Oh, I almost dropped it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade really quick. Oh, super white. It doesn't look really white. It has like a little tint to it. It is so windy right now. I don't know why, but it is. It is very windy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade. This shade right here, which is called Kana, I think, or Kana. So I'm just going to quickly. Oh my god, my headband fell off. Whatever. Just take it off. Just walking. So I'm excited. I really want Starbucks. I don't really know what I want from Starbucks, so I have to think about it. I either want a strawberry shade right here. And now it looks more blended. So then we're going to eyeline our crease. We're going to use the Metal Shock eyeshadow from Essence in the shade Stars and Stories, which is like a rose gold shade. And it has like some silver in it, so that's what it looks like. Arms. But if you have not tried these are really good. I bought this one when I was in Los Angeles. It's a little bit old, but still works. Hopefully I don't mess up, because usually I twitch and then it just gets messed. And then the brush that I'm using is a makeup brush. I mean, not a makeup brush, sorry. It is a paintbrush that I bought at Ross. Okay, that looks good. I usually get nervous doing this because I always end up like twitching. Okay, not too bad. Jamada, the shade right here, which is like a burgundy shade. Just tap that, and we're going to put that under our eye. Ooh, there we go. Okay, pigmented. I think this is pronounced Yodit. Yodit? I don't know. I feel like people are gonna. Oh my gosh. I did add some angelic eyelashes by Coco, which are my favorite. I did add eyeliner, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Black. And then, yes, in my inner corner, I added a shade from Maybelline's Lemonade palette. On the palette, I really do like it, except I couldn't work with the black that good. I'm not really good at using the shade Black. I wasn't sure if it was like my fault or I don't know how to use it. But yes, I did like it better when I blended it out instead of just packing it on, because I felt like it got stuck there. So if you're going to use the black in here, I recommend you blend it out first. And then if you feel like you want it darker, then just keep packing it on. But anyways, I really like the shades in here. Everything looks very nice. Like all these shades are really good put together, especially. Oh, do you see that? Like, is there anything else I need to say? It blends very nicely. The colors, everything, the whole palette is just beautiful. It's an aesthetic. It's very nice. If there's any other products from Juvia's Place you would like me to test out, please make sure to leave a comment. And if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.